Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we have some groundbreaking news for all Nintendo fans out there. The much-anticipated Nintendo Switch 2 is no longer just a rumor, it's becoming a reality. Recent reports confirm that mass production is officially underway, marking a significant milestone in the journey towards what could be one of Nintendo's most monumental launches in history. In collaboration with key manufacturing partners, Nintendo is pulling out all the stops to ensure the Switch 2 is ready for a global release in 2025. This next-generation console isn't just an incremental upgrade from the original Nintendo Switch. It's a leap forward in gaming innovation, poised to redefine the way we play. From cutting-edge hardware to a diverse and robust library of games, the Switch 2 promises to set a new standard in the gaming world. Let's dive deeper into what makes the Nintendo Switch 2 so revolutionary. A stunning 8-inch OLED display. One of the standout features of the Nintendo Switch 2 is its rumored 8-inch OLED display. This is a significant upgrade from the original model's 6.2-inch screen, offering a more immersive and visually stunning handheld gaming experience. The larger screen is designed with thinner bezels, giving it a sleek and modern appearance. This means players can enjoy more vivid and vibrant graphics, whether they're gaming on the go or docked at home. When docked, the Switch 2 is expected to deliver a breathtaking 4K resolution, powered by NVIDIA's DLSS, Deep Learning Super Sampling technology. This cutting-edge tech will upscale graphics efficiently, providing a seamless balance between high performance and exceptional visual fidelity. Whether you're exploring expansive open worlds or engaging in fast-paced multiplayer battles, the Switch 2's visuals are set to captivate gamers like never before. Backward compatibility, a game-changer. Nintendo knows the importance of continuity, and that's why backward compatibility is a major focus for the Switch 2. Players will reportedly be able to enjoy their existing library of games on the new console. This feature not only ensures a smooth transition for current Switch owners, but also underscores Nintendo's commitment to its loyal fan base. By maintaining compatibility, the Switch 2 encourages players to upgrade without losing access to their cherished titles, further cementing its position as a must-have console. Upgraded JoyCons and enhanced durability. The Switch 2 is also addressing long-standing issues with the original model's JoyCons, particularly the notorious drift problem. The upgraded JoyCons are expected to offer improved durability and a more comfortable user experience. This upgrade is a testament to Nintendo's dedication to refining every aspect of the gaming experience, ensuring that players can enjoy hours of seamless gameplay without any technical hiccups. Launch timeline and strategic planning. According to industry insiders, Nintendo is strategically planning the Switch 2's launch timeline. The console is expected to be officially revealed in January 2025, with a targeted release date in March 2024. This timing is designed to allow Nintendo to dominate the gaming conversation in the first half of the year, giving them a competitive edge before the bustling holiday season. With mass production ramping up, it seems increasingly likely that this timeline will hold, building excitement among fans worldwide. Competitive pricing and exceptional value. Early estimates suggest that the Nintendo Switch 2 will be priced between $399 and $449. While this is higher than the original Switch's launch price, the substantial upgrades in graphics, performance, and overall design justify the cost. The Switch 2 is shaping up to deliver exceptional value, blending enhanced portability with state-of-the-art technology. However, with competitors like the Steam Deck and PlayStation Portal in the mix, it remains to be seen how gamers will react to this pricing. Redefining the gaming landscape. The Nintendo Switch 2 has the potential to redefine the gaming landscape, much like its predecessor did in 2017. The hybrid console approach, which seamlessly allows players to switch between handheld and docked modes, has been a game-changer. By building on this concept, the Switch 2 aims to cater to a diverse range of players, from casual gamers to hardcore enthusiasts. This versatility has always been Nintendo's strength, and it's clear they're doubling down on it with their next-generation console. The road ahead, anticipation and excitement. As production continues and the launch date approaches, the excitement surrounding the Nintendo Switch 2 is palpable. Nintendo has a track record of innovation and surprise, and the Switch 2 appears to be no exception. In the coming months, we can expect a flurry of leaks, announcements, and previews, each adding to the anticipation of what could be Nintendo's most ambitious console yet. Stay tuned as we bring you the latest updates on the Nintendo Switch 2. From in-depth analyses to breaking news, technology in the future is your go-to source for all things tech and gaming. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. The countdown to the Nintendo Switch 2's launch has officially begun, and we're here to cover every step of the way. Let's gear up for an exciting year ahead in the world of gaming.
I can't see the